This rechargeable tower fan comes with a manual and USB-C charger, and it also has a base that is detachable. And once you've put the base in there, you can charge the battery in the fan, and the charging goes really fast, and I absolutely love that. It has different options on top, and it contains 3 speed of fan. This also has the ability to spin in different directions, and the spinning is really soft and really quiet. The next thing I love about this fan is the timing option. You can set it for 1 hour, 2 hours, and then you can also set it for 4 hours, which gives enough time. Also, you can turn on the light, and this night light can also be left on even after the fan is off. The next thing I love is that the fan also has this blade that can bring the direction of the fan blowing towards you or away from you. Overall, it's a great fan that has reduced noise level and absolutely great for any decks that you have.